In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects in Asana. Archiving projects effectively can help keep your workspace organized and free from the clutter of completed or inactive tasks. Let's dive right in and have a look at how this can be done seamlessly, giving your Asana space a breath of fresh air. First, you need to navigate to the project you wish to archive. This can be any project that you've completed, or perhaps something that no longer requires your immediate attention. You can find your project by browsing your project list on the left sidebar of your Asana dashboard. Once you've located it, simply click to open the project. It's important to note that archiving a project is a reversible action, meaning you can restore the project if you ever need to access it again. So don't worry about losing any valuable data when you archive. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see the project title clearly displayed, and right next to it, you should notice a small caret icon. This can also be referred to as a downward pointing arrow. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to managing your project. Among the choices available, look for the option labeled Archive. Selecting Archive will instantly move your project out of your active list, effectively tucking it away while preserving all the information and tasks contained within. This is especially helpful for team environments, as it clears up space and enhances the focus on ongoing projects that are still in progress without permanently removing past efforts. But fear not, the archived projects can always be accessed later if you need to revisit any details or continue from where you left off. And that's it. Archiving in Asana is that straightforward. Remember, a clutter-free workspace not only improves efficiency, but also enhances your ability to concentrate on what truly matters at any given moment. Keeping your project list organized by archiving outdated projects ensures that your workflow remains smooth and uninterrupted. I hope you found this guide useful, and be sure to check out other ways to optimize your Asana experience. Until next time, happy organizing!